In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable legend in MATLAB Simulink. Now in here inside Simulink, legends are not a part of the model canvas itself, okay? They only appear in scope blocks or certain different visualization blocks like the XY graph. So let me show you how to actually enable these. Now, you first have to add a scope block, so you want to go to Library Browser, and then in here inside Library, you want to go to Simulink, and you want to go into Sinks, and from here you can find your block, okay? So scope is over here, okay? You could also just search for it up top, so scope like that, and you'll be able to find it as well inside here. Just drag and drop it on here and you're good to go. Now whenever of course you have your scope, you can go ahead and basically enable the legend by double clicking your scope. So I have a simple basically model over here. I'm just gonna go and double click on the scope, and as you can see it's already ran, so I'm gonna click on run again, and it's going to basically run it like this. You want to go to scope, top left, click on settings, and here you want to go to display at the bottom, and you want to click on show legend, and this will show your legend at the top left over here inside your scope whenever you click on it. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.